Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the PRO-SYS VarioSonic Plus Orthodontic Kit, a professional electric toothbrush designed to elevate your oral care routine. This rechargeable toothbrush is equipped with an intuitive pressure sensor that alerts you if you're brushing too hard, ensuring your gums are protected. With 5 advanced brushing modes, including the Plus mode for the deepest clean, you can tailor your brushing experience to suit your smile's needs. The built-in 2-minute timer with a quadrant reminder keeps you on track with dentist-recommended brushing durations, prompting you every 30 seconds to move to the next section of your mouth. Whether you're at home or on the go, the extra-long battery life offers the convenience you need for uninterrupted use. Plus, it comes with a handy travel case, making it perfect for those who are always on the move. Upgrade your oral hygiene routine with the PRO-SYS VarioSonic Plus and experience a new level of clean. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.